Hi. I am showing off the villain's vault. I've got my brand new trap, my trap, if you can see that. I don't know. Let's put that back into portrait. Looks awesome. At night time, that is. Let's choose villain. I want to tell you something. What is it? Wait, here we go. Okay, Chaos. Zoom in on this. Chaos. We're gonna play as one really. Let's go to the beginning of final. We're just gonna be showing off an villain. In the next episode, we're going to be showing off some different villains, but today we're showing off Buzzerbeak.